irregular verbs, they have shared pieces, okay? They're not just random, which is what the word irregular hints at, right? The word irregular implies that it's unpredictable and random. But for most of the irregular verbs in Spanish, for a majority of them, they do all have similar shared pieces, okay? And so one example of this is in the present tense, there's a ton of them that just end in go, right? You might get, poner becomes pongo for I put. Salir becomes salgo for I leave. Hacer becomes hago for I do or I make. I have becomes tengo, right? You have all these ones where they're just irregular in their present tense form, but then the rest of them might be regular. So for example, ver, to see, it should be bo for I see, but it's veo. But the rest of the forms for all the other pronouns are regular. Same thing with dar and saber. And so these verbs, these irregular verbs that seemingly you have to memorize all of them, aren't actually fully irregular, at least not to the extent that the textbooks want you to believe. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.